Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you about Quire Software program. Let's start with the description part. And start with the question of what is Quire program? Quire is cloud-based project management solution and software designed to help small and medium-sized business and companies. You can share your projects, you can assign tasks to colleagues or partners or your team members. And also Quire manage to-do lists and tasks using with assigned people and responsibilities and tags on the software. Let's start with the capabilities. And first one is personalization. In the Quire Software web version, you can change your personal data such as your email, your password. If you are working on long projects, you can switch to dark mode. And also you can set your working days to Tuesday to Monday. And you just set your weekends and also enable to 21 hours time. And you can set your reminders here. If you want to get email notifications, change your time weekly to hourly to daily. It's up to you. And you just change your preferences, project preferences also. If you leave here and click on the edit in the left bar where your name is here, and you can change your picture and company names, URL here, you can add a description on it. And the second qualification of the software is ease and possibilities of add and create tools. Again, you can easily name your organization with the organization creation icon. From the photo on the right, my is Conestoga College. And another important thing is that you can add your description here, but the important is you can add the members. I'm an admin right now. And also here Suesh is my colleges that is studying in Conestoga College. I'm working with them. Then I just write down his email. I set a normal admin or guest. It's up your projects or organizations. Here the invitation appears have been sent. And when my friend accepts, I will now be able to work with them. And then here you can just create a project under your organizations. It's called Advanced Project right now. And this is your project page and the workspace on the left bar and your members here. And if you want, just close it or pin it or hide it right now. Here you can add your tasks on this page. And named as, for example, Advanced Planning 1 in your first task name. And your subtasks is named Read e-text. Okay. And if your project is more comprehensive, more complicated in the future, you can add your tags for, you can easily access the task with filtering mode. For example, report is your key tags to find your project in the future, like e-text, read, or some other things that you can want to edit. Besides, you can easily add a milestone by clicking on the calendar version next to the tag, and you can also set up a timer, yes, exact time if you want that. And also you can set both date and time on your tasks. Yes, if you can the repeated project, set your repeat. You can assign a responsible person to your tasks by clicking on the human icon next to all or buttons. Yeah, I couldn't find Suesh because he is not accepted yet. And you can set the priorities of the tasks in your project with the help of up arrow icon, high or low, it's up to you. And the third capabilities is to detail your tasks. You can add a description with the help of the window that opens on the right by clicking twice on the tasks you want to detail. And you can write your advanced planning project name And below you can add team's capabilities or team's responsibilities in detailed Dropbox and just save it. You can attach files from your computer by clicking on the attach icon, and at the same time you can upload the documents from the drive when you connect with your Google accounts. When you log in your account, the files will come automatically. It's your log. And also you just comment these tasks. For example, time is coming, and your classmates or your colleges will see your comments and respond it. It is your followers, and if you want, just like it. And you can arrange your priorities here also. And if you click on the ellipsis one, just print it or duplicate it, copy it, or delete this task using the detailed part of it. And the fourth qualification is that Quire Software has very, very different views, like 3 that we are working this page. This is also board view page. Here, board opens where you can see status of the tasks, like to do, in progress, or completed ones. You can drag and drop the tasks, and you can mark task as completed automatically with the green arrow icon, but you do the same thing with drag and drop thing. It's up to you. You can add a status that names as monitoring. You can arrange your progress and color of the status. Yes, you can add the numeric status in this board view and change you just hide this column or add it. It's up to you. Yeah, just add a new status if you want it. Fifth capability software, Quire Software, has a GANNT view that makes project tracking and reporting easier. This long yellow line shows as today, and from here you can set your appearance to monthly, to change to year and daily one. From here, this blue boxes shows as a duration of your tasks, and you are able to change your start days of your tasks and bring the start days at the same time. The last thing we will evaluate will be reporting capability of the software. Here you can see the status and the time of your tasks in a pie chart. Below you can see the monthly graphs chart version of the pie chart above. Below is a weekly summary of your work and log of your transactions here. If we look at the limitations of the project, it will be more accurate to look at the comments of people who have been using the software for a long time, because they have been working at really complicated projects. In general, the mobile version is limited compared to the web version, or unable to download the software to Android. The weak effective communication network with teammates, because Quire Software has not the chat part in themselves, and the need to have more management tools are the weak and limited aspects of the software. And one of the users said that it's really very minimalistic software. It's just, maybe it's positive for her, but maybe it's not positive for everyone. Minimalistic, to be minimalistic features or tools or buttons or appearance. It is not same thing, the user-friendly and minimalistic one. And the last thing is the recommendation part for project management. It is a software suitable for project management with its ease of use, free of charge with many features and tools, able to work with your teammates, your colleagues, and effective communication features, and at the same time tools, especially on project tracking and the test tracking. And you can see the overall rating from collecting different blogs. And you can go to the quire.io website right now and explore the features that I described with your team.